You're watching Courtroom Explained, where we calmly unpack how courts resolve real disputes behind the headlines. This content is for educational purposes only and not legal advice. This case involves a lawsuit brought against Oprah Winfrey following comments made on her nationally syndicated talk show during a public health discussion. According to court records, the case arose after a 1996 episode addressing concerns about mad cow disease. During the broadcast, Winfrey expressed personal reactions to the topic, and a guest discussed food safety risks. Several cattle producers later claimed that these statements caused economic harm by discouraging beef consumption. One key fact was the legal theory used by the plaintiffs. Rather than traditional defamation, they relied on Texas's food disparagement statute, which requires proof that false statements about a perishable product were made knowingly and caused direct financial loss. This placed a demanding evidentiary burden on the plaintiffs. Another important issue was causation. The court closely examined whether statements made on the program could be directly linked to losses in the cattle market, as opposed to broader economic forces or public health concerns influencing consumer behavior. A third consideration was the nature of the discussion itself. The court viewed the broadcast as part of a wider public conversation about health, safety, and ethical responsibility areas, where open expression is strongly protected, even when those discussions affect powerful economic interests. After trial, the jury found in favor of Winfrey and her co-defendants, concluding that the plaintiffs had not met the statutory requirements for liability. The verdict brought the case to a clear procedural conclusion. The legal lesson from this case is about the strength of free expression in matters of public concern. Courts require precise proof before limiting speech, especially when discussions involve health, safety, and moral judgment rather than commercial intent. How should courts balance open public dialogue with claims of economic harm? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you value calm, neutral explanations of important legal cases, consider subscribing to Courtroom Explained.